Hello and welcome to this week's Tip of the Week for SAP Business One. This week's Tip of the Week, we're going to show you how to procure items based off of a production order, which will create a purchase order. So here, I already have our production order up. I already have our product number here, so we just have a test bill of material here, and we have just some test items down here with some different quantities here. So the button that we're looking for here is a checkbox which says Procure Items, and we're going to update all these rows to procure the items, and as soon as we hit add here, it brings up our procurement confirmation wizard. So here we already have our test product. We're going to just continue on through and hit next. We have some options here. We can continue to final step. Now here's where we pick our target document. What do we want to create? Let's create our purchase order, and we can put in our vendor. And we're just going to pick a random vendor here. There's our items. We have the option to put in delivery date. Let's go ahead and do that. And continue on through. If we have multiple documents, we can do consolidation here. And then also if an error occurs, we can skip to another vendor. But let's go ahead and continue on through. Here's a preview of our results. We'll go ahead and make that. Now our purchase order has been created. And here is our summary report. And if we want to see our purchase order here, we can go to here and drill down and take a look. And there's our purchase order, and here are the quantities that we had on our production order. Thank you for watching this video. As always, please reach out to us here at Support One with any questions. Click on the link to subscribe for more content.